Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a fire truck together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw 2 circles for the wheels. Now draw the outline of the truck base. From the front wheel, draw a horizontal line, then a small vertical line, and another horizontal line up to the rear wheel. Link the 2 wheels with a horizontal line. From the rear wheel, draw a horizontal line, a small vertical line, and another horizontal line up to the wheel. Now link the wheels at the bottom. Draw the cab by making a vertical line, a slanted line for the glass, a horizontal line for the roof, and a vertical line down to the base of the truck. Draw a rectangle at the back of the truck. And join the cabin and the tank with a horizontal line. Draw a rectangle for the ladder and its attachment to the truck like I do. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Draw a small rectangle for the front headlight and one for the rear light. Draw a circle inside each wheel. Draw 2 horizontal lines for the ladder to rest on. Now a rectangle for the flashing light. Draw the window, first a small horizontal line and a diagonal one, then a horizontal line. Follow the shape of the cabin until the outline is closed. Divide the window with 2 oblique lines and then draw a rectangle for the handle. Draw a rectangle at the back of the truck. Draw 2 horizontal lines down the entire side of the truck. Now draw a smaller ladder in the center part of the truck, first 2 long vertical rectangles, then small horizontal lines for the steps. Now draw a pipe at the back of the truck by making a spiral line, then draw the initial part of the pipe with a small rectangle and a line in the shape of the letter V, and another small rectangle. Wow! Our fire truck turned out really well! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use red for the truck body. Color the wheels rims, the headlight, the flashing light, the rear light, and the center part of the truck with yellow. Use orange for the base of the truck, the handle, the pipe handle, and the top ladder. Color the windows with blue. Use green for the tube, side stripe, and small ladder. And use black for the wheels. Wow! Our fire truck turned out great and is ready for its next mission! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!